Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlog, Simply When Your Actor Beast here in Kingdom Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa natin ang reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Sige nga. Hinahanap ko kasi talaga si girl. Kasi yung sa video na sinansakan ni Barda United, hindi clear. Ay, atake naman sa kanta. Atake naman sa kanta. Anyways. Ay, congratulations, Ginoo. Makulit talaga si David, no? Pero ako pala kasama nila dyan. Okay. Ay, hello. 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 Ay, alam mo, i-check natin yung TikTok compilation ni David kasi hindi nadadaanan to. Ay, si Ma'am Nars pala. Si Ma'am Nars, hindi pa natin na-try. Hindi pa natin na-try si Ma'am Nars. Kung may bago siyang mga compilation. Ay, ito. Tingnan natin. Ito pala eh. Wait. Ito yung part 1. Wait. I think I love you, picture me doing and have your part 1. I think I love you, the MV is finally out. Okay. When I speak, even silence feels a love song. Atake. Wait, admit it, ang tunay na kilig na sa mata at ngiti ng Barda. Exactly the point. I couldn't agree more. The story didn't start with a confession, it started with a look. Okay. Two smiles meeting halfway, ibang tama kapag sila. No touch, no grand gesture, just eyes that already say everything. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, na tipong alam mo yung mga tinginan nila, yung titig ng Barda, hindi natin nakikita sa titig ng Barson. Kahit mag-holding hands pa sila and everything, hindi natin nakikita yun. I don't know sa kanila, basta sa akin, hindi ko talaga nakikita. May copyright nga. No touch, no grand gesture. May copyright. Kaya nawala ng music eh. Okay. Kung ganito tumingin, hindi na kailangan ng words. Totoo nga naman talaga. Alert. Sabi ko nga, Ma'am Nars, kung yan tumingin, sabihan lang ako kung kumain na ako ni David Licao. Badagad ako. Just, ganun talaga. Parang bulong na lang, I wanna feel your touch. Exactly the point. Just. Ganun talaga yun. Ganun talaga yung atake doon. Anyways, dito tayo sa part. Ito yung part. Hindi pa nagsisilya pa yung tingin na parang confession na. Okay. Just a line but a giveaway of my heart already falling. Oh yeah, tayo. Serious. Okay. Yun. Ordinary words pero kapag sila ang napagalitan, may kilig na hindi may tago. Yung mata kasi talaga nila, the way sila magtinginan talaga kakaiba. Gwapo ni David. Gwapo niya talaga. Iba talaga yung atake ni David sa totoo. Imagine yung underneath ng kanyang yung balot na balot siya, pero na-imagine mo kung ano yung underneath. We're just Javrin's love story. Javrin's, lumabas na ba sila sa Free TV? Can you guys comment down below kung lumabas sila sa Free TV? Wait, ano to? TikTok shop to, TikTok shop, hindi pwede. Ito. Noreen Javier. Okay, the finalist movie. Napanood na natin ito. Ito, ano to? It started with Barbie's own post. And what is luck really? It's something stress. Okay. Charis, kinikilig ako sa... It's a promote forever that one game will ever feel. So now everyone wonder who really holds the key. Charis, sino nga ba? Sino nga ba? I easily believe that the point is siguro the roses, the dinners. Oh, wait. Wait, hindi ko pa ito napanood. The roses, the dinners, the movie nights, lahat captured, lahat shared. Easy to believe, easy to point out. Siya na siguro. Okay. Even a visit to his house meeting his mom, with her dad to driving her just as always. The design feels similar, doesn't it? Parang cut din lang, family introduced gesture display. Pero hindi nga napakilala ata. Pero doon sa part na si Alden kasi talagang pumunta sa Casa Bernardo. Diba? That kind of narrative can easily. If the one that was really seen. Because the connection is without words. Okay. So tell me who really has the key? The one also in display or the one quietly stays unseen? Doon ako sa low-key. Let's see, Starry Pulse, in the end. Kasi naniniwala talaga ako na, for example, yung kung totoong mayaman ka, hindi ka mukhang mayaman. Kasi sino pa yung mga walang pera? Gets niyo ba yun? Yung todo maganda, yan ba yung pinakamakalap sa loob? Gets niyo ba yun? Kaya doon ako sa low-key. Diba? Doon ako sa low-key talaga. Ay, the BTS of the kind of love was timely dropped. Atake dyan si David. And suddenly the camera aren't the only one to know. Ayan na. Ayan na talaga sila. Yes, parang may sarili mundo. Exactly! Ganyan din yung sinasabi ko, mami. Na parang may sarili mundo nga sila. The hot trademark is on her forehead. Hagod sa likod, I love it. Hindi lang ba sa Disney, tagos na tagos ang chemistry nila. Totoo. Umaagos na yung Maria Cristina Polsky. The timing of smiles and perturbance. She glance effortless. Sa iba talaga atake nila. Little jokes flying back and forth. And just like that, one moment stood out. Ito lang. Mga David. Oh, tangina, sarap po. Charis. Ang sarap. O diba? Poker face siya. Parang wala lang. Barbie's love future and surprise at all once. Totoo, kahit ako doon surprise. Kalaya. Diba? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Charis, ano sinasabi mo, AJ? Diba? Gwapo ni David. Gwapo niya talaga. Diba? Anyways, that is our for today's video. We're part of the compilation. This is Kinjo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!